This is the video for routine 105 of the Matrixmath game. Sets the XY position to 522.40, tall and wide to 174.90, sets the color to 932, which is an orange color, and does rectangle fill. Then it sets XY position to 532.55, the color to 0, which is black, sets the font to bold 10 points, and then for I of 0 to 384, changing it 128 a time, it's going to put text on the screen. That text is at page C, starting at offset 896, and the value of I is going to change by 128, which is one row at a time. Well, we can go here, page text, page C, and here's the position it was at, this text here. It's going to put these 4 lines of text onto the screen that are in page C. Next, it's going to put values in the matrix it calls example. It says for I equals 0, set the example at offset I to the value of I, and then it says next I 49 times. So this matrix or list that calls itself example is going to be filled with numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 49. Then it says set X and Y to 533.15. Put the text on the screen saying example. Then it adds some to X and then sets the control registers L, M, and N so that it can do a box N on the screen. What it means is each row is 10 long, and then it says, well, there's 10 columns and there's 4 rows. That's what these control registers are for. Then again it says that NS is 4 because it wants to do something 4 times. It's going to set S to 3. It's going to set the index jump to 5. It's going to move the example information to result. It's going to use an instruction that expects to have values in result when it starts. Then it's going to do the add L instruction with a value of S and the index jump. Then after that it says set X, Y to 530, 370. Put the text on the screen saying result. Then add 60 to X, and then we're going to have the control registers again, and we're going to box the result on the screen. Now I'm going to advance it so I can see the rest of it. After it puts that on the screen, it goes home. Well, let's go to see the program and see what it was doing. First, it made this big orangish box. Remember, it put these 4 lines in there. Then it displayed the example, and then afterwards the result. And what this instruction was doing was it was doing this add L, adding S to all the values that are in, well, not all of them actually, N of them, where N was set to 4. What happened in this matrix, it starts out 0, the other starts out with 3. And then away from there, you'll see it's going to add the 3 again. Here it was 5, here it was 8. And then back here it was 10, down here it's 13. Up here it was 15, and down here it's 18. It added 3 to 4 of the values in the matrix, according to this instruction. Well, this is the end of the video for Matrixmath.